This module will walk you through the uploading of your CFR and other processes available to you through the CFRS utilities. There are 5 steps to a successful CFR submission. Number 1, accurately perform data for all schedules. 2, validate the submission to get a document control number. 3, create the upload file. Number 4, upload the CFR file and financial statements separately. And number 5, send signed certification pages to all certifying or funding New York State agencies. This presentation will explain steps 2 through 4 in detail. This slide shows the drop-down box for the CFRS utility function. After all data has been entered and saved in the CFR, the submission must be validated to get a document control number, or DCN. Select Validate Submission / Assign DCN. The Validate Submission box will appear. Select Perform Validations. If there are any errors, a message box pops up highlighting the error in yellow. In most cases, clicking on the error will take the user to the screen containing the error. Correct any errors and repeat the validation process until all validations are successful. Once the validation errors have been cleared, the last 2 lines in the error report will show Validations Complete and DCN Assigned. The Prepare for Upload button can now be selected to create the CFR upload file from your prepared CFR. The Prepare Submission for Upload box allows you to see the current destination for the upload file and the destination where the last file was saved. Browse for a new directory if you want to install the file in an alternative local or LAN location. Try to save the file to a network drive that is frequently backed up in case your computer crashes. Once you are comfortable with the destination where the upload file will be saved, click the Prepare Submission for Upload button at the bottom of the screen. A CFRS Messenger box will pop up indicating the process results. This will show the path for the upload file, which can be copied or printed for future reference when uploading the file. Click Close to close the Messenger box, then click Go to CFRS Upload Page button at the bottom of the screen. A pop-up window informs you that you are being redirected to the OMH Upload portal. The OMH page entitled Uploading a Submission has some useful information regarding the upload process and the CFRS announcement mailing list. Please be sure you have at least 2 current email addresses entered here for any patches or the latest releases of the CFRS software. Click the Upload Your CFR Submission or Financial Statements link to upload your documents. This is the CFRS upload page. Enter your agency's 5-digit provider agency code and press Enter on your keyboard or click Check at the bottom of the screen. Choose Type of Documents to upload, CFR or financial statements. Enter email address to receive confirmation of a successful upload. Click Browse to find the file previously created and saved on your PC as the upload file. We highly recommend that you print and save your confirmation emails for both CFR submission and financial statement submissions. The CFR submission file should be uploaded separately from the financial statements. The CFR should also be uploaded prior to the uploading of the financial statements. This is an example of confirmation email you will receive after a successful upload through CFRS. Close the OMH portal page and you will return to the banner screen where you may access reports to print. You can select specific schedules such as your certification schedules that require signatures, or you can click Expected to highlight all schedules completed in this particular CFR. The Select All button will print every schedule, even blank schedules. Click the Send to Printer button to send the document to the user's default printer. The certification schedules can be printed on 8.5 by 11 or 8.5 by 14 paper. However, none of the information included on the CFR-I, CFR-II, or CFR-III can be cut off on the sign pages that you forward to the state agencies. Click Write to File to display the document on the computer screen in Notepad. Click the Inventory button to list the program sites defined and other identifying information about the submission. This can be useful in diagnosing problems. The Advance button allows for printing the CFR for a select New York State agency and/or county schedule. To roll over a previous period CFR, select Import Data from the Utilities screen. Select a version of the software to import from and highlight the submission to be imported. All data is all agency and program site information as well as financial data. Master data is the agency and program site information without the financial data. Importing data saves time and ensures that all agency and program definition data remains consistent with prior periods. Select All Data or Master Data and select Yes to the warning. If creating a submission for a subsequent reporting period, check Change Submission Definition and update the necessary items at the bottom of the screen. After changing the submission definition, you must validate the new definition before importing the data. After importing, check agency and program definition information for accuracy. When importing data from a CFR to a CBR, or vice versa, there is a second step which includes using the Convert CFR4 to CBR4. This selection is also accessed through Utilities. After the initial conversion, you will receive the following reminder message regarding the second step. The submission type has changed. CBR4 position title codes have been imported. However, you will need to use the Convert CBR4 to CFR4 screen on the Utility menu to transfer your position title codes to the CFR4. Another selection in the Utilities function is Change Delete Funding Source. If funding for a program has changed or ended, you will have to change or delete the information through this screen. You can update or delete your agency's definition as well. If your agency no longer is required to file or is now required to file with a certain state agency, the boxes should be checked or unchecked as appropriate. The Help function can be very useful when preparing your CFR. There's information from the manual along with a What's New in CFRS section for all changes made to the latest software version.